ऐसे परिवार भी इससे कोरोना से प्रभावित हुए हैं। बहुत से ऐसे लाई है जो हमारे बीच में नहीं भी है, और उन परिवारों के प्रति हमारी संवेदना और हम उनको श्रद्धासुमन अर्पित करते हैं।
Cooperation of KYCL. We all are here to inaugurate some important projects. Congratulations to KYCL for taking responsibility of the society. KYCL is a good company. I expect more active cooperation from local government. Dr. Ashwath Narayan ji and Sri Yedur Rappaji's team is cooperating and extending all kind of support to KYCL. Recently, Government of Karnataka has allocated a mines for KYCL. At one point of time, KYCL was a very robust company with Kudramukh mining attached to its company, but due to some environmental concern, it has to be closed down. But hope with additional or new mining allocation, again KYCL will be flourishing to new high. Still it is earning money. Recently, Nalinji and Ashwath Narayanji, I have instructed KYCL for more aggressive expenditure, capital expenditure for its expansion. With everybody's cooperation, that means more profit to KYCL and more CSR for the local community. So I hope, I wish KYCL will fulfill our expectation. Friends, today we all are going through unprecedented time due to second wave of corona. We all are little bit worried and concerned. But with everybody's effort, and I congratulate Karnataka government for its continuous effort. Today, Karnataka is in a good shape. Lot of good news are coming from Karnataka. Yesterday, the massive vaccination campaigning has relaunched, non-religion by Honorable Prime Minister on the occasion of International Yoga Day. One is proactive vaccine. Yoga is the proactive medicine vaccine for the corona kind of concern. And vaccine, proper scientifically proven vaccine is the real answer. It was a nice coincidence. Yesterday was the occasion. Yesterday, India achieved more than 8 million vaccination in a single day. And congratulations to Karnataka also. Karnataka is the second highest state out of this 8 million, that means 80 lakhs. Karnataka number is 8,73,563. So congratulations to entire Karnataka society, Karnataka team. Karnataka is well organized to vaccinate its population. Today our doctors, scientists, they all are capable to produce. Our pharma industry, all are now in a mission mode to produce. Vaccines, now there are 3 companies already producing vaccine in our country. Very soon another 2 companies, Zydus and Biology E, these are the 2 Indian companies will be producing vaccine very soon. Our per day vaccine production will be around 10 million, 1 crore. And we all have to involve. I request respected Mahaswamiji, philanthropical organization, religious body, our entire cultural ecosystem, entire social activists, entire political leadership, corporate, bureaucracy, all have to work in tandem because we are destined to go ahead. By yesterday, we have completed around 280 million vaccination doses have been covered. By end of December, we have to complete the process. There will be no dearth of vaccine supply. There will be no dearth of medical competency, medical network. Two our friends are here, member of parliaments are here. This is when the country will be attaining 75th years of independence by next year. By that time, India must be protected of this unknown disease. We all are confident today. In the first week of April, our oxygen requirement was less than 1,300 metric ton. The peak demand of the previous wave, that means 2020 wave, around September, the peak demand was 2,300. But by end of the May, Swamiji, the demand come up to 10,000 metric ton. I know those who are involved in health system management at Karnataka, you all have faced the music. But country came up to the need, came up to the expectation. And proudly I can claim the steel industry is in the forefront to mitigate this challenge. We reduce our steel production. State-owned company, private sector, all cooperate the government's requirement, society's expectation. We send oxygen to Karnataka from eastern part of the country, from the western part of the country. And so Karnataka also supply in the initial days when there was no big challenge in Karnataka in the mid of the April, Karnataka were supplying oxygen to the neighboring states. But today, the PSA plant may be a symbolic one, 1,000 liters per minute, maybe the capacity. But today, oxygen cylinder, concentrator, PSA plants, big oxygen supply network, big oxygen carrying container, the country is equipped. So let us prepare for the best. Vaccination is the answer. And I wish KYCL, if you do good work, you will earn goodwill. Continue to do good work, continue to earn goodwill. This will be your capital. And with this collective effort, we have to serve the people. Today is an occasion for a noble cause, for a good cause. We all are here. Again, congratulate KYCL. Thanks to all the participants, public representative, philanthropist, administrator, industry leaders, media friends. All my best wishes to everybody. There should not be third wave. If at all third wave, so-called third wave, nobody knows, third wave will come. We will defeat that. This should be our collective resolve. Thank you, friends.
Thank you very much, sir, for your support, inspiration, and motivation. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. It is our privilege to have Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas, and Minister of Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, and all other distinguished dignitaries with us today. By their very presence, the occasion became highly meaningful and vibrant. It is our bounden duty to thank everyone for their goodwill in attending the program and for showering blessings on us. May I request Director Finance, KOCL, Sri S.K. Gore, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all of you. is a great pleasure and privilege for me to offer vote of thanks to this galaxy of dignitaries whose presence made this day really a memorable one. First and foremost, on behalf of the team KYCL, I would like to express deep gratitude and heartful of thanks to our Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Minister of Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhanji. Sir, your graceful presence on this occasion made us extremely proud and privileged. We feel energized to progress the path that you set for us. Sir, as our CMD has already mentioned, under your visionary leadership and active guidance, KYCL has achieved all-round excellence during the just concluded financial year 2021, surpassing records of last 15 years. Despite this widespread disruption brought by COVID pandemic all around. Sir, we take this opportunity to further commit ourselves to continue the path of excellence that you have advised, that you would advise us in future time as well. Thank you, sir. I would now thank Honorable Union Minister of State for Steel, Sri Phaggan Singh Pulastreji. Sir, you always shown keen interest in the affairs of KYCL. You have visited personally to our head office only few months back to encourage the team. Sir, we are thankful and grateful to you for your continuous encouragement. Now I would move on to express our sincere gratitude to Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Karnataka, Sri C.N. Ashwath Narayan ji, and also the State Government of Karnataka for extending their continuous support and cooperation to KYCL. Be it awarding mineral exploration work on nomination basis, be it recommending forest clearance of Devdari Mines project, be it guiding KYCL to identify the priority areas for our CSR projects. Sir, we strongly believe it is the unstinted support from the state government that enabled KYCL to remain a premier CPSU in the Karnataka state for over 45 years by doing its business harmoniously with the participation and aspirations of the local community of this beautiful and progressive state. Now I would like to express our sincere thanks to our Honorable Secretary of Steel, Sri Pradeep Kumar Tripathi ji. Sir, you are a source of continuous encouragement to all the CPSEs under Ministry of Steel, including KYCL. In all your review meetings, you have always inspired us to target for more, and KYCL's record-breaking performance is only an outcome of your continuous guidance. We are grateful to you, sir. I would now move on to express our deep regard and sincere thanks to Honorable Member of Parliament of the Dakshin Kannada District, Mangaluru, and also President of BJP in Karnataka State, Sri Nalin Kumar Katil ji. Sir, we always consider you as our own family elder, as we always feel free to reach out to you for any offered support and guidance whenever we needed to conduct our affairs smoothly. Sir, your presence with us on this auspicious occasion gave us a feeling of family reunion. Thank you so much, sir. KYCL team also extremely thankful to all the public representatives, including Sri G.S. Basavaraj, Honorable MP Tumkur, Srimati Sumalata, Honorable MP Mandya, Dr. Bharat Sethi, Honorable MLA Mangaluru North, Sri D.V. Kamath, Honorable MLA Mangaluru South, Sri U.T. Khader, Honorable MLA Mangalore, Sri U.A. Kotian, Honorable MLA Mudbidrian, Sri Suresh Gowda, Honorable MLA Nagamongala for their gracious presence on this occasion. We would also express our deep gratitude to His Holiness Sri Nirmalananda Natha Mahaswamiji for his kind divine blessings to KYCL team on this occasion. We also thank all the officials of Ministry of Steel and the Office of Honorable Ministers of Steel for their constant cooperation and guidance to KYCL in all aspects, including organizing this event. We are all thankful to you all, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to express our sincere thanks to our respected CMD, Sri M.D. Subbarao ji, for his active guidance in organizing this event. My colleague directors and members of KYCL organizing teams also deserve appreciation for their tireless efforts to meticulously plan and organize this event. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Sir, I thank you all the participants to make the today program grand success. Now we declare the today function is over, sir. Thank you very much all of you again, sir.